Hi, my name is Victor Bagan. I'm the Director of Culinary Arts here at Odessa College. Here we are in the bake shop. We're filming one of our video presentations. We're still in the grip of COVID-19, so sadly my lovely assistant or partner isn't with me today. Today we've got one of my favorite recipes. Let me warn you, this is not calorie sensitive, and you might not want to eat this on a regular basis, but as a treat, it's great fun and easy. So I've got cream cheese, lemon juice, some dill, chives, and these are readily available at our local grocery stores. And of course you could use dry if you wanted to. All I did was to cream everything together, a little bit of chive, lemon juice, pinch of salt, pepper, set to go. Now I know if you read the instructions you're probably thinking I'm nuts, assuming you're going to want to do this because it sounds complicated. But it's not. Here's my salmon. I've cut it in half without going all the way through so I have a hinge. Now take my plastic wrap over the top, and I've got an incredibly expensive tool which I use to do this job, so if you don't want to invest, I understand. Just gently. And if you do have one of those nice steak bats, by all means use it, but hey, skillet works and you've probably got one lying around anyway. At that stage, we keep beating it until we get it nice and soft. Well, I should say nice and spread out. Put our cream cheese in the middle, and using the plastic, just go ahead and fold all the edges over, making sure that we seal this tightly. Now you can make this any size you want. I've kind of made this for dinner, because frankly that's what I'm going to have. I like to turn this over, and actually I like to refrigerate now for about 15 minutes, just so it sets everything up, but I want to make sure everything's nicely encased. Goes onto a small pan in the oven, and lo and behold, when we get done, cooks for about 15 minutes, if that, while my salmon, just touch it, you'll feel the cheese is soft, you'll feel the salmon is cooked, and away we go. The plate's all ready. Just take it off, pop it on the plate. You can serve this with a green vegetable, some asparagus, some green beans. You could serve it with a little side salad, however you want. But here you have salmon and cream cheese. Enjoy, stay safe, and please support our local businesses.